I have a very serious question though. How do the cows get down there? For real, how do the cows get down there, bro? Yo, I had to get the whip, bro. I had to get a car, bro. Look, let me hop in this. Woo! Let's go. Pretty fat. What's going on? What? For some strange reason, the car's not starting. I don't know why. I don't know if I did something wrong. Let me try something. Why isn't the car starting, bro? The handbrake up is in. Like, what's wrong? Cause this just ain't starting. The handbrake is up. Bro, what? Did I do something wrong? I don't know why not though. Like it is. Father Lord, please give me clarity. Why is this car not starting? God, it's real hot, man. Please help your boy out. What do I do? Okay, so each time I start the car, I just put the key inside. But this time I start in the car, ain't nothing happening. Please, God, I know I'm gonna get sorted out, but what's going on? Let's go, baby, come on. Challenges happen. I read it online. They said maybe to. Hallelujah! Yes! Yeah! We outside! Yes! Yes, the car's working, bruh. All praise be to the Lord, the ultimate mechanic. People, they said simply, turn the steering wheel and turn the key. That will look at online. Never panic, brother man. Don't get too frantic, brother man. Yeah, you only do yourself damage, brother man. Yeah, I so out. And this, brother man. Yeah, play with me, get tragic, brother man. You can't handle it, brother man. We are Tirana, brother man. Yeah, Tirana. Let's go, bro. Let's go, brother. Let's go. Alright, JJ Mutono. Ready, set. We're about to take a little stroll up and get to the waterfall. We have a little place called Bar Restaurant Ufara. Yeah, people. It's been a cool drive so far. Now it's time to go in the mountains. This is where we are right now. This is across. It's a cool looking place. This ain't the waterfall, but it's just like the restaurant, you know. I could have parked right here. I went to park in front of people's place for no reason. I guess sometimes people sit and chill here. Camping. Oh, they do camping. Yeah, not me, buddy. Not sleeping in the woods. Not my swag. Not my swag. Her, brother. Alright, look, I just don't even know where I'm supposed to go by here in water. Just imagine what it looks like when we get to the main waterfall. You know what I mean? Come on, people. Clean up after yourself. Don't leave all these bears here. What's wrong with you? I hate that.